So one of the things that we've really been looking at is how can we expose these different capabilities we have across integration, intelligence, lakehouse to be able to allow our clients, wherever they might be, they're using frontier agents to be able to take advantage of the underlying capabilities. And I'll use a quick soccer example or football, Hal, is, if you're getting ready to do a set play in soccer, then you have ball comes in and you have a specific sequence for where it lands, etc. What we're switching to is having, every player on the field is able to be in any one place. It's a very flexible approach. In this way, we're able to expose our capabilities to be able to be used then for these agentic loops that our clients are creating. So in this case, it's how do we make sure that you're able to expose a data integration pipeline to create a governance process that's gated, to create a process for updating those pipelines, and to do this in a way that you can then monitor and see what the agent did and set those thresholds. And so really we're taking advantage of the models that our clients are already using, or to be able to switch back and forth between different models, but we're exposing those capabilities on the back end. That framework or that system is the MCP server, the tools, the skills that are all built on these capabilities, the ecosystem really, if you will, that then allow our clients to be able to create these loops around them. So I think the place that we're going to, and it's going to be really interesting, is being able to have repeatable processes here. So if I want to have a governance process, before it was, I have very strict steps that need to be followed. And now when I jump into having autonomous data product creation or assisted data product creation, then how do I make sure that the same input that a user is providing or an agent is providing gives us the same output? And that's a really exciting part that we're also doing research and building into our framework, is to be able to have that kind of predictable outcome, or the places where there needs to be decision to be able to provide that information for users. That's kind of our approach. Instead of having to building closed black box loops that our clients would not be able to really break out of or use interoperable and with their frontier models.